today we're gonna go look for morel, but also we're gonna study some edible greens. Okay, so is it more morel? Everybody here? Yeah.
Like that's partly why I'm here. But not like mostly.
So you're gonna stop on it. You have to don't expect to find lots of mushrooms. The morel is really funny. You can't find a whole bunch of them in one spot. You walk all day long like this and find one here and another one maybe 2 miles.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's the way morels are. They grow wherever they want to. Permies are edible.
Are they edible?
Yeah.
Really?
They're protected, aren't they, in Michigan? Yeah.
What do you eat, the flower or the leaves?
But I eat it without the flower. It's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
Now, this is what happened in the shade. Only one.
Yeah.
When it's vitamin D, you bring one planet and look at what happened. Fully sun.
Yep, and it goes nuts. Oh.
These are good eating when they're young.
Dane's rocket.
What are they called?
Dane's rocket?
Rocket. Now look at the dead one.
Oh,
It has a
okay.
pink flower on top when they get tall.
Oh, you want to take a piece? Roll it off. There we go. So it's fuzzy. Dane's rocket.
비슷한 거야. 괜찮아, 그거 비슷한 거.
It's good in a green way.
Okay.
Some people call it wild garlic, some people call it wild onion.
Kind of little tough, but when they're young, okay, there's the good size
little
right
ones.
here. See that little tiny onions? They're small, so when you collect a lot, take your time and you collect them all. This you are mixed with the gochujang, that red
Oh yeah.
paste, and a little bit of soy sauce, then it's delicious. Look at that. See that?
Spring onions.
Koreans eat a lot of that. And look at the old one. It's tend to be tough.
Starting to get more yellow.
Right. What I do with this wild green onions, I wash them good. With the scissor, I cut them small, and then I put it in a brown bag. I freeze it. And then every time you open the freezer, shake the bag, separates it. After that, then I put it in the jar and door freezer. Put it in
Oh,
there,
yeah,
all
yeah.
the seasoning.
In the door.
Now, is that the green part or just the
All of
onion?
them.
Oh, the whole thing.
All of them.
Yeah, yeah.
They're all good.
Yeah.
Stew, soup, anything you cook meat with, just pinch it,
Omelet.
close it, back, then you use it again. So whole winter you don't have to go to Meyer. Just come out, you just move your fingers, make you do the fingers working, and then you have your free,
These are
delicious,
everywhere.
free food.
Yep.
Okay? There's everything you buy in the Myers, there's everything out here. What's that? Red bud.
Red buds, yeah. I've never tasted red bud.
Red bud.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
All right, now I'm gonna pick some for garnish.
Do you
Oh, those are
roll them
good.
as buds, or do you wait for them to flower?
No, I like a bus side. This side.
Wow.
I tried this and
I really like that.
They're good.
colors and everything.
Go figure.
I never tried eating red bud.
Have it?
That poor red bud's not going to have any flowers open. The tree.
Try this one is
Yeah.
sweet,
It is.
actually. Oh, somebody got me a cleaver.
Oh, yeah, someone did get you with cleaver. Who found the cleavers?
Oh, nice and
Mason.
young, tender one. This is my salad garnish. What is it?
Red bud.
Okay, let's go.
Do you like the flower? Pretty? It's a dandelion, you're right. Yeah, you know what this one is? This one's a violet. The violet's a different one. I'm waiting for Mason to yell, I found one.
I know.
Heads.
Yeah, you gotta cook that first.
Yeah. The ones that are all.
That one's okay. I like that size.
Like this one.
For that.
That's a nice one. Fiddlehead.
Yes. Go down to where? Right there.
Is that bracken fern?
Is this the wrong kind?
She calls it fiddlehead, but
That's like royal.
I think it is. I think it is.
I'll show you.
But it has the 3 branches on it.
Yeah.
The other one is the royal fern or ostrich fern.
And this is ostrich.
This one I call it just a fiddlehead, but I don't know if most people call it like mine.
Bracken fern.
Yeah, bracken.
Bracken
Something
fern.
else.
Yeah, it's
Now let me see how tough that is. Hang on. Right there. See? That's edible. Don't put the
even the
top
ones
part.
still opening.
Yes, I like. Okay, now when it's like this, it tend to be slimier. When
Okay.
it's like this, it's flavory.
Okay.
So I
But
like.
not all the way open.
When I
'cause
want to
that's-
eat it, I pick this.
that
When
one.
I want to sell, I pick this.
Cook them?
Planch them. That's all you gotta do. You're gonna eat that today. I already prepared it. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, yeah. More.
She actually likes to eat them. Oh, this one. She likes to eat them a little more open.
Oh really? Okay, wide open.
Not.
Let me see. Where's the wide open?
There was one
All
back
the way
there.
open, then you don't eat that one.
Yeah, just
Halfway, this is delicious. Better than the whole way.
remember last year we were finding them under the apples.
We remember finding a few ones here.
Yeah.
And the hard part is you gotta go to areas where the leaves
You have to like get
sparse,
down.
'cause you can't, even if they're popping up,
Yeah, it's hard
you
to
can't
see.
see them below the leaves. Yeah.
It's easier to see morels if you're short. If you get down here.
Did you pick one off of here? I don't see it.
Something to eat it.
Somebody picked it. Amber! You sure you didn't pick the one here?
Gone.
I haven't seen any yet.
Over there.
All right.
Oh, this is a nice little spot.
Yeah, it's a little more cleared.
You found one? Oh yeah. There's the morel. It's a little one.
Oh wow!
Oh, that's a nice one though.
Never
Oh,
will find those because same color.
Here's
Yes.
another one where
experience.
There's
somebody harvested it.
Yeah. Are there any more?
Probably around.
Ow.
Thorns coming up. Sorry. Just whipped branches.
We have to go in here to get mushrooms. This is all local tree. Let's go under the local tree.
They do? We have a ton of locusts. The black ones too, or the blonde ones?
Black and black.
Okay. So we should be watching out in our front yard.
Yeah.
So it's all
Like
locusts.
I said, I grow wherever they want to go.
It's true. Right here, this cup at 1, 2. Any more?
I got one.
You got one?
Yeah, you don't want
These are yellow morels.
you want to make sure that
The
you
blonde
don't
ones.
Pick it, that you cut it off. You don't want to pull it up because apparently there's something.
There's the mycelium grow
Yeah,
underneath.
so make sure. See how she cut it off at the surface.
Right
You
there.
wanna leave that
Yeah.
cut off.
You want to leave the root part
Oh
underneath.
look, there's one right here.
Got another one? We got a bunch of blondes. Any more?
Here, watch it.
Yeah, two.
Watch your feet.
All over.
Watch your feet where you putting. Okay, look down.
Two morels right
Now,
there.
Cindy, look.
Oh, those are nice.
See that?
Yeah.
And look at that one and look at that. That one I stopped.
Squat down and look across. You'll be able to see them better.
Yeah, you get that one. This is blonde.
Yeah. Those are nice ones.
This is a huge.
Yeah, they'll get pretty big. What did she just say?
Don't get caught out here, you get shot.
Where's the snake?
Look at the flat head.
Picture.
Oh, if it's flat, it's a hognose. Where is it?
It is right
Yeah,
there. You did not
hognose,
see that.
puffer.
Well, he keeps it. I'll go, stop.
Guys,
It's a
Now, Mike, mushroom in there, so stop. Don't go farther.
Puffer.
yeah, puff
Kind is it?
adler,
Anybody know about
which is
snake?
not really a puff adler. It's a yeah, it's a I think it's a puff adler. It's a hognose. Hognose, no. Yeah, that's a hognose. That is a hognose. It mimics the no, it's about 2.5 feet.
They missed that
It
one.
mimics the cobras. Yeah. They don't attack, but they mimic cobras. They're
Mushroom 거기 있어. 밥좀 하러.
mimicking a cobra.
yeah, and they'll hiss.
Where'd it go?
It's right over here.
No, please don't come here.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
We saw another one back there. Oh yeah, it's hissing now.
one
Listen, listen, it's hissing. It's right in the crack there.
Yeah,
They can have. It's about 2.5 feet. You hear it?
Okay, mushrooms right here.
It's trapped, so I wouldn't go any closer.
Now, sit down.
There's a snake right there.
Sit. Sit.
Sit, but not on the snake.
Sit on the snake.
No, please.
They get bit in the butt.
Yeah, that would not be good.
That's a big
It'll play dead if it's feeling threatened enough, but it's acting like a cobra. See how its neck is flattened out? It is hissing.
take my photos.
It's
Be a mini camera.
it's video camera, so it's taking it. Yep.
Yes, take it.
Find it to sit and stare.
Take a photo.
There's one.
Right.
There's a morel.
I know that's why.
Watch the snake right there. Do you see a morel there?
I see them around. Where's the snake?
Right here, in the crack. It's a hognose. They're not poisonous, but they mimic the poisonous ones.
They are huge.
Back here. Oh, there's one. There's one. Is there other? There's a little one right here. Are there more right in this area?
Mike walked right over it.
I did too.
Yeah, it was tiny. It's hard to see with the leaves.
Once you recognize one in your eyes, then they'll all come to you.
Yeah. Usually if I find one like that, I squat down and glance
you have
around.
To sit down for a
'Cause
while and look.
See it right here?
And then once you catch one, then it all comes to you.
Are there any others in the area or you got them already?
Got them all, but you gotta go keep ahead. This one.
That's a nice one.
Nabe.
Do you see that? Oh, that's a nice one.
Nice.
Awesome.
So, any morels you have, you gonna eat it or you gonna make a morel garden? Okay. You get some molasses. Get molasses. Get a bucket of water. And then chop that mushroom up. And stir them up. Put some molasses in there and then dump it whatever you want to be. Keep doing that. Then you're gonna make it.
We had a question.
Probably better than
We had a question if this is a
that one's. No, that's the other of a
that
blackbird.
is a real.
Found another one. Nope. Morel. Any more in this area? Right around this. You could check around this tree. This one was right here. Oh, the snake's right there. Yes.
Snake.
Okay, hi snake. That's the hognose. I think it was hiding up there. It's still here.
Isn't that the rat snake? Would that
Some
bite
people
you?
call it a rat snake. Yeah, it can bite, but it's not poisonous. Any snake will bite, even a garden snake. But most are not poisonous.
Another snake?
It's the same one, I think, because it was hiding along the log up there.
Okay, I'll get that.
I'll just stand here and
Look cool.
yeah.
Girl, I don't have time for snakes. And they hissing at me.
He is hissing.
Yeah, he's hissing right there. Another hog. Well, I think it's the same hog nose. It's got that flattened out neck. He's saying, "Don't bug me." I think he was coming to hide under here, and I came from this direction, and he's like, "I'll coil up now." I'll give a heads up to those coming because he's right over the log.
Okay. Hey, buddy.
Not that you aren't given enough of a heads up with all that hissing.
It's this big. I have 4 pointers this big.
Okay. Oh,
Not very big.
no.
Probably had very short pants.
Right there. What is it?
I don't know.
Dove?
It seems small for a turkey.
It does. Maybe
It's not turkey.
No.
Turkey is big, like a
Yeah.
duck egg.
Yeah.
it's a quail.
Yeah, it could be quail egg.
Quail or something.
It's about that size.
About size, even a little big for a quail.
Well, you do that and freeze it.
Try to take one more.
In the wintertime, it tastes like popcorn.
Uh-huh.
When it snows, flying, nothing to do, it's like popcorn.
You're on video. How's the food?
Really great.
Good. Good bibimbap. With wild greens.
Maybe spicy.
Yeah, I think so. I like spicy. But it's good.